Hello, sir.
Inan, hello, Inan. How are you? I'm audible to you.
Yes, sir. I'm fine. Yeah, you're audible, sir.
Late? Why are you late, Inan? Inan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Inan, why
Yes,
are
sir.
you
Yes, sir. Sir, I was praying that so. Uh, 7 to 8, I was having physics class also nowadays.
late? Okay, okay. So, in the previous class, what we were studying?
What, sir?
The previous class, what we were studying?
The previous one, we were studying corrosion and no, the pH levels.
pH levels. Okay, so we have done with the chemical properties of acids.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move. Chemical properties of acids. So, what is the first properties of acid? When acids react with metals, will gives you salt plus hydrogen gas. Salt plus hydrogen gas. Okay. Second is that acids when react with metal carbonate, it will gives you salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Third is acids when react with mm, base, will gives you salt and water. And fourth property is acids when react with non-metal metal oxides. Sorry, acids when react with metal oxide, it will give you salt plus water. Okay. Try to write down the examples of each and everything fast. Two examples of each fast.
Okay, sir.
Are you writing now?
Yes, sir.
Do it, please. You done?
Sir, I'm writing the second example for the second one. Acid plus metal carbonate.
Noted, noted. You done? In
Yes,
our
sir.
writing
Yes, sir.
exam. Are you taking much time?
You told two examples, right?
You noted the examples of acid plus metals?
Sir, HCl plus is zinc gives you zinc chloride plus
Formula,
H2.
formula of zinc chloride. Zinc chloride का formula बताओ.
Is it Cl2
Okay, plus.
H2.
Next.
H2SO4 plus zinc uh, gives you zinc sulfate plus hydrogen.
Zinc sulfate. Okay. ZnSO4 plus H2. Next.
Uh, Acid plus metal carbonate salt plus CO2 plus H2. First example, HCl plus zinc carbonate gives you zinc
फॉर्मूला जिंक
chloride.
कार्बोनेट जिंक क्लोराइड फार्मूला चाहिए मुझे सबका मुझे फार्मूला बताओ.
Z10CO3.
ZnCO3 फिर क्या रहेगा.
Zinc zinc chloride Z10Cl2 plus carbon dioxide plus water CO2 plus H2.
नेक्स्ट.
Second second example H2SO4 plus zinc carbonate gives you zinc sulfate plus carbon dioxide plus water.
नेक्स्ट.
Acid plus base is equal to salt and water. HCl plus sodium hydroxide NaOH gives you sodium chloride NaCl2 plus H2O.
व्हाट इज
Second example,
NaCl2 NaCl2 सोडियम क्लोराइड.
uh,
It is NaCl because Na has valency 1 but Na also has valency 1, so both will have 1 valency, cancel out each other. It is NaCl plus water. Next.
H2SO4 plus magnesium hydroxide MgOH gives you magnesium sulfate plus water.
MgOH.
Yes, MgOH, yeah.
MgOH magnesium hydroxide.
Gives you
What is the valency of
magnesium.
magnesium?
Huh?
Valency of magnesium.
Uh, the valency of magnesium is uh, 2.
Magnesium hydroxide is MgOH whole twice because magnesium has valency 2 and hydroxide has valency 1. You cross
MgOH2.
at MgOH whole twice. समझ आया?
हाँ सर.
समझ चले?
Gives you
और क्या देगा?
MgSO4
क्या देगा?
H2O.
H2O plus MgSO4 सही है नहीं?
Fourth one is acid plus metal oxide gives you salt and water. Hydrochloric acid plus zinc oxide gives you
वही sort
uh,
है. ठीक ठीक. I'm writing the property of base.
huh?
Chemical properties of base. Properties of bases. Base when react with metals also gives you salt plus hydrogen gas. Base plus metal oxide gives you salt plus water. Base plus non-metal oxides non-metal oxide gives you salt and water. Okay, so इसे करो. मुझे बता. Are you writing the examples of each? Two examples.
Sir, I'm right. So done.
सर आज मैं नया लैपटॉप मैंने ऑर्डर कर दिया है भाई, बस आज आज की बात और है। कल से इंशाल्लाह मैं नया लैपटॉप लूंगा, चलाऊंगा। ये पता नहीं इसमें क्या दिक्कत आ रही है कि ना हाथ लग जाता है ना इस पे, तो ये रिकॉर्ड तो इसमें भी है। चलो मैं करता हूँ।
Yes, sir.
सॉरी
I
फॉर
have wrote the
बीइंग
exam.
बेटा, मीटिंग कट गई थी। आई विल गिव यू द एक्स्ट्रा टाइम, ओके, डोंट वरी।
Okay, sir.
व्हाट वी आर डूइंग हियर इज दैट कि हम लोग पढ़ रहे थे। हैव यू नोटेड द एग्जांपल्स?
Yes, sir.
टेल मी द एग्जांपल्स।
Base plus metal, so it gives you salt plus H2. That example is sodium hydroxide NaOH plus zinc gives you uh, sodium zinc, right?
सोडियम ना, व्हाट इज इट?
So sodium zincate or just sodium zinc?
Zinc plus what you are saying? NaOH.
Uh, Sodium hydroxide, yeah.
It will be sodium zinc. Na2 ZnO2 plus hydrogen. Next.
Sodium zincate. Okay.
Next.
Next, uh, MgOH2, magnesium hydroxide plus
Hmm.
zinc gives you magnesium zincate, right?
No, magnesium do not react with. Only the strong base react with. So you can, instead of changing, you have to keep this constant NaOH. Okay. Then you have to use the instead of zinc, you can use the aluminium. Aluminium and react with NaOH, what it will give you. Follow?
Aluminium, so, sodium aluminate.
And formula
Um, NaAl2. NaA,
LO2.
uh, NaAlO2.
Next. Okay, well, next.
Next, base plus metal oxide gives salt and water. That example is. Sodium hydroxide plus zincate gives you sodium zincate plus water.
सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड will react with मेटल ऑक्साइड, बताइए क्या बनेगा?
Yeah,
ऑक्साइड लेके आते हैं।
zincate plus water. Sodium zincate plus water.
Connect.
Um, and the third one, base plus non-metal oxide gives you salt and water. That example is sodium hydroxide plus calcium oxide
Non-metal
gives
oxide,
you.
it is a metal oxide ना, then zinc और कैल्शियम तो मेटल है ना,
No,
यहाँ
sir,
पे यूज
I'm
नहीं
talking
होता।
about non-metal oxide.
हम्म,
Sir, calcium oxide is non-metal oxide, right?
हम्म।
Um, so sodium hydroxide plus calcium oxide gives you uh, sodium, 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 calcium. I don't know that one, sir. I don't know how the.
Non-metal oxide is like carbon dioxide. So let sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus water. Another example like sodium sulfate, sodium plus sulfur trioxide, it will get so Na2SO4. अगर आपको SO4 लाना है तो यहाँ पे SO3 लेना होगा, अगर आपको CO3 करना है तो यहाँ CO2 लेना पड़ेगा। ओके, देखो ऑक्सीजन बढ़ जाता है। तो these are the non-metal oxides. ओके, समझ गए? Note it down.
Then
चलो नेक्स्ट बताइए कि we have done with the chemical properties of acid, bases, and pH also. We have done with the pH. Okay. Okay, let's start doing some questions regarding to this. We have studied. Yes. Right. Yes. Are you there?
sir,
So try to answer me these questions. Like for example, you have this experiment in which uh, we are having this one. Okay, experiment in which zinc we are added with dilute hydrochloric acids. You know that dilute hydrochloric acids, sorry, sulfuric acids, when react with zinc, it will gives you zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. Now this hydrogen gas is produced here now. What would happen if in place of zinc granules, a small amount of zinc dust is taken? What would happen?
Sir, same reaction will happen, right?
There is no change. If you take
No
instead of
change.
zinc granules mean bigger balls, and powder means dust means powder form. So during that, is there any change will be observed here or not?
No change, right?
Why?
It's because, sir, it is still in the solid form. So no reaction takes place, right?
Actually, the surface area will increase when you have zinc. Like this is the ball of zinc. Suppose imagine that it is a 3D ball, and these are the inside particle of zinc that are not. And when you comes in the when the zinc come, this ball come in the contact with the zinc. Sorry, acid. Let's suppose this is the color of acids. Only this portion is going to get in the comes in the contact with the ball. Okay. मतलब यही जिंक बॉल के कांटेक्ट में आएगा this only this portion will comes into contact with the zinc of acid will comes into contact the inner particle will not. But what if you crush it? If you crush it, then the powder particle will come and the surface area will increase, and because of that the more and more substance will comes in the contact in the contact with the acid. So okay, that you can imagine that suppose if you have a chalk, okay, and you instantly dip it into the water and bring it back. So you will find that only the surface area. If you break the chalk, you will find that the inner particles are not wet, only the outer particles are wet. But if you crush the chalk and then put it on the surface of water, okay, put it on your palm and then dip your palm along with the chalk in the water and bring it back, you will find that almost all the chalk particle will get wet, okay, because simply all of them are on the surface, okay. Got it? समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
So this is the main reason. So in in place of zinc granules, same amount of zinc dust is taken in the test tube instead of dilute sulfuric acids. So means we will say that if on increasing the surface area, more number of particles of hydrochloric acids are reacting with it. Okay, so we'll say that more hydrogen gas is produced. Okay, the reaction will be fast. Means it will be equivalent, but the reaction will be fast. समझ आया?
Yes, sir. The B one, right? The A or B?
A1.
Uh,
For the A1, it will be fast. No, it is not. Hey, it is not an MCQ question. It is we have to answer for all the parts. Okay.
okay, sir.
Instead of dilute sulfuric acid, if it took the dilute hydrochloric acid, तो क्या होगा?
Sir, the reaction will take. No, the reaction will be more stronger.
Will be at the same rate because both are strong acid, but the salt form will be different this time. Okay. Next, in place of copper, in place of zinc, copper tannings are taken.
Uh,
In place
in
of zinc,
place of.
copper tannings are taken. Copper tannings means
Sir, then some the salt will not form because the hydrogen will not get displaced.
okay, salt will. Okay. Next.
Sodium hydroxide is
Because
taking
copper
place
is
of.
less reactive, that's why the salt will not form. Na?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Sodium hydroxide is taking place of dilute sulfuric acid in the tube is heated. Uh, um, Sir, if the tube is heated, then then it forms precipitate, right? The salt will become precipitate or something.
Sodium hydroxide is taken in place of dilute sulfuric acid, and then the test tube is heated. So simply, will it gives you hydrogen gas or not? It's asking for the hydrogen gas. So instead of you remove the acid and you add zinc and NaOH, dilute sulfuric acid is removed, and sodium hydroxide means NaOH is taken in place of. First, initially, this reaction was taking place H2SO4 plus Zn. Okay. Now you remove this one and you take. It was giving you ZnSO4 plus H2. Now this time this has been removed and you take NaOH and zinc. Will the hydrogen gas produced?
Yes, sir. No, no, no. Water will be produced. Water will be produced. No. Um, H will be produced, right? Because it will form sodium zincate and H2.
Yes, it will form sodium zincate plus H2. Water will form if we have zinc oxide instead of zinc. Okay, got it? Now you
Yes.
understood the concept.
Yes, sir.
What could be the answer for question number 48?
Sir, the compound X will be some metal, right?
What do you say?
Sir, let me think. Come on.
What could be X, A, and B and C? It's very easy. You can tell me.
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Try it, right? You can do it. Try it. By what substance should zinc should react to give hydrogen gas?
It should be any acid or base, right?
Okay, you are
It
correct.
will give.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. So it could be an acid or a base. Let's suppose it can be a NaOH or it can be acid is SCl. Okay. So if it is SCl, then it will react with and will give you ZnCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Okay. And if it is NaOH, then it could be sodium zincate plus hydrogen gas. Okay. Now for this one, for the second case, if we assume that X is SCl, so will it react with SCl? No.
No.
Acid will not react. So we are sure that keeping the idea that it is an SCl, it is not. X is not an SCl. It is NaOH. Okay. Got it? समझ आया?
Okay. Yes, sir.
अगर HCl है तो HCl के साथ रिएक्शन नहीं करेगा, लेकिन NaOH कर जाएगा HCl के साथ तो क्या बनेगा?
Uh, sir, if sir, so here acid and base are reacting together. Oh, sir, how a base and base gives you water? NaOH plus HCl gives you water.
No, NaOH when they react with HCl, it will gives you this is base, this is acid, so salt and water बनेगा NaCl plus water.
Oh, oh yes, sir, yes, sir.
Next,
Neutralization reaction, right?
next is
Sir,
अगर हमने
so,
it will be
uh,
CSCOONA and we called it as sodium ethanoate or sodium acetate. Acetate, note it down. Note this question in notebook fast.
okay, sir.
You done?
So,
You done?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, what is that CH2COH?
it is sodium acetate. Sodium acetate. Okay, tell me the acid present in lactic acid is
Acid present in lactic acid. Lactic acid. Vinegar, sir.
hmm?
Vinegar, right?
Yeah. Next.
Acetic acid is in curd.
Acetic acid is
In curd. Citric acid in lemon and oxalic acid in tomato.
tomatoes. Acetic acid is in vinegar. Okay. तुम्हें याद तो है सब कुछ, तो बैच के साथ जब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इसको तो फिर आज मैंने रिवाइज ही कराया क्योंकि आज बहुत सारे बच्चे नहीं थे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 का क्या जवाब? व्हाट शुड बी द आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 23?
Sir D.
डी। कैसे था ना? क्वेश्चन नंबर 21। 21 का जवाब तो
Sir, nitric acid.
चलो अब आगे चलते हैं हम लोग और समझने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो अभी मैं बात कर रहा था, नहीं नहीं, क्या नाइट्रिक एसिड क्या बोला था हमने? फिर तो फॉलोइंग इज यूज फॉर द एक्वरेज, या लिखो इसे क्वेश्चन में। एन एक्वरेज इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ गोल्ड सॉरी nitric acid and HCl when taken in ratio. I mean the ratio of aqueous is concentrated HCl and concentrated H2SO4 plus. Okay, sorry, not concentrated H2SO4 is not there. HNO3, it is HNO3, concentrated HNO3. Okay, and taken is ratio 3:1. अगर HNO3 पहले है और HCl बाद में तो 1:3 रेशियो हो जाएगा। ओके, और जब HCl को तीन नंबर 3 गुना लेना है। ओके, यू अंडरस्टैंड?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट इज if I'm saying question number 17, what should be the answer for question number 17? What do you mean by the word visually impaired, students? Visually impaired.
Visually impaired means like having problem seeing, having problem in the eye or something.
Visually impaired का मतलब क्या होता है? It is blind. मतलब he is blind. Can't see. Can't see. Okay, blind. Got it? समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
Litmus is Okay,
So
turmeric.
litmus, it's by seeing, right? Petunia leaves.
So vanilla essence. It is olfactory indicator. Olfactory indicator. Olfactory
The
indicator means
olfactory means like it can
like
measure acid and base, right? It can
yeah,
indicate acid and base.
yeah, it can change its smells when added to acidic or basic medium.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. So you done?
Yes, sir.
What could be the answer for question number 24? What? Question number 24.
Sir, B.
D.
B.
यस, मेटल ऑक्साइड्स या अच्छा क्या करती है मेटल ऑक्साइड्स? वाटर के साथ तो रिएक्ट करके बेस बनाती है ना, बिकॉज मेटल ऑक्साइड्स आर बेसिक इन नेचर ना। लाइक अगर मैंने एग्जांपल ले लिया कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड का, मेटल ऑक्साइड है, और उसको मैंने पानी में ट्रीट कराया, तो इट विल गिव्स यू कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड व्हेन रिएक्ट विद वाटर विल गिव यू कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड। समझ आया? समझ आया?
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 27। क्वेश्चन नंबर 27 क्या आंसर होगा? बोलो।
Sir, option number C.
2 and 4 वेरी गुड। हाइड्राइज आयनाइजेशन मत करेगा और साथ में हाइड्रोनियम। वेरी गुड, शाबाश। तो तुम्हें रिवीजन है तो विल कंटिन्यू विद द नेक्स्ट जो बैच होगी उसके साथ हम लोग कंटिन्यू करेंगे। ओके, सो इनाम यू डूइंग वेल। आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द